Hi, I'm a Viking Pump.
And I'm an energy exchange pump.
As a GB-410 or 414 series pump, I've been engineered to handle today's natural gas dehydration challenges.
And I've been the exact same since I was invented in the 1950s.
Wow, you must work really well.
Not really. I waste gas and am absolutely not good for the environment.
Oh, well, I'm rated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so I can handle all kinds of temperatures, including a 225 degree temperature delta to handle temperature spikes.
Well, I typically start failing around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, so...
What about flow rates? I can move over 128 gallons per minute or more.
I max out around 7 gallons per minute in my largest pump. So if you need more flow than that, you'll need to install 2,
3, or 12 of me to get the flow you need. Are you at least easy to work on? I can be easily rebuilt, so I save time and money.
I wouldn't say that either. You'll probably need to pull a hot permit to take me out of the field and back to a service center. I like road trips though.
Well, that's nice, I guess. My electric motor keeps emissions to a minimum, so I'm doing my part to stay green.
You're sure gonna feel green when you see how much gas I released into the air. Not to mention the wasted money, oh man.
How about you go lay down? Take a load off. I've got it from here. Viking Pump's GB-410 and GB-414 series natural gas dehydration pumps are engineered for the job. To learn more, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.